everyone, so for today's video I'm going to show you the top 8 things to do in Amsterdam. This, by the way, is a look that I created inspired by all the footage that you're going to see in this video right now. I had so much fun in Amsterdam. I said that weird. I had so much fun in Amsterdam. It's such a beautiful city and it's just full of life and color, and I absolutely loved it. So if you want to find out my top 8 things to do in Amsterdam, then just keep on watching this video. So my number 1 place is the Avocado Show. It is an amazing restaurant that I went to with my uncle, my mom, and my uncle's girlfriend, and they make everything from avocado. I had vegan avocado pancakes. I forgot the exact name, but it has something to do with matcha. They were amazing. The second thing that I recommend doing, oh, look, the flowers. That's what inspired my makeup look, by the way. The second thing that I recommend doing is the flower market. You have no idea. There's stand after stand after stand with tons of these seeds and that you could just buy and plant yourself. Of course, they have the typical orange tulip. It was beautiful. The third thing that I recommend doing is taking a boat tour of the city. This, I think, is the most practical and most fun way to get to see the entire city because you see it by water. And it's a fairly small city and you get to see it all. It's absolutely stunning. I loved it. And more flowers. Also, the tour guides give you like little history facts that were pretty cool. The fourth thing that I recommend doing is having a picnic at the park. We stopped by the grocery store that was right next to this park, got some sushi, literally just sat down and started eating it. My fifth recommendation is the Van Gogh Museum. We actually did this right after the picnic because they're right next to each other. It was beautiful. We got to see magnificent paintings. Absolutely worth it. The sixth thing that you must do is ride a bike. Amsterdam is a bike city, as you can see. Everyone owns a bike and there's thousands and thousands of bikes all over. I actually did ride a bike. I just didn't film myself riding a bike because it had been a while since I had rode a bike and I didn't want to die. So I just left it at that. But yeah, no, it was crazy. The amount of bikes is impressive. The seventh thing that I recommend doing is going to see the red light district. It is an experience. You can't really film or take videos up close for obvious reasons, but this is as close as I could get. You kind of get a feel for the vibe and the feeling of walking down the streets. And last but not least, number 8 is the Anne Frank house. I highly suggest going to the Anne Frank house. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures or videos because, as you might assume, it is highly protected and we're not really allowed to take any videos or pictures, but it was amazing. We actually, if you can book your tickets in advance, I would suggest doing that, like months in advance. But if you're like us and you're last minute travelers and had no idea that you were gonna end up in Amsterdam, then what you can do is go online the day that you want to go. So like, let's say today, I want to go today. So go online at 9 a.m. and try to find tickets. The thing that they do is that they release some tickets on the day of every hour. So for example, if I go in at 9 o'clock and they say, sorry, no more tickets, then I would go back in at 10 o'clock. And if they say, sorry, no more tickets, then I go back in at 11. And at one of those times, there's bound to be a ticket because not everyone can always make it, even if they've booked a ticket. And I think that they release some tickets the day of, like for different times, because it's like tour times. Absolutely worth it. Make sure to check it out. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like my Amsterdam inspired makeup look, then be sure to check out my Amsterdam inspired makeup look video to watch how I achieved this look. As I said before, I was inspired by all the flowers and the colors of the flowers that you just see all over the city. It was absolutely stunning, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and just thanks for watching. Loved it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, so if you want to keep on watching,